This bath salt, guys, will take your feet and body to another level of freshness, especially during these harsh winter months, and it's also very easy to make. Hello LuxOrians, welcome to the family. We'll just jump right straight into our recipe, guys. Right here I have my Urea, Bicarbonate, Oatmeal, and my essential oils. I'm using tea tree essential oil and peppermint essential oil in this recipe. These simple but effective ingredients were carefully selected to help treat very dry skin. So I went in with 2 tablespoons of Urea. Urea increases skin moisture by removing dead skin cells and improving the ability of the skin to hold water. It works both as an exfoliator and a moisturizer, making it a perfect treatment for dry and eczema-prone skin. Next, I went in with 2 tablespoons of bicarbonate. Bicarbonate helps detox the body, helps relieve itching and irritation. Oatmeal is very moisturizing, soothing and inflammation relieving for the skin. I went in with 2 tablespoons of oatmeal. And finally, I went in with 10 tablespoons of Epsom salt. Epsom salt provides exfoliation of the dead skin cells on the feet, therefore relieving aches, pains, and decreases inflammation. It is advisable to use an exfoliating tool after soaking yourself in Epsom salt so as to remove all dead skin. You want to make sure to mix that very well before going in with your essential oils. Tea tree essential oil has many therapeutic benefits. Among its healing benefits, tea tree oil has antifungal and antiseptic properties, and this is effective treatment for nail fungus. So adding tea tree oil to your foot bath only adds to the healing benefits of your bath salt. Peppermint essential oil, on the other hand, is one of the best essential oils for sore feet. In addition to its freshy, minty aroma, it helps cool down the treated area and temporarily mask pain. If you've been on your feet all day, using peppermint essential oil can help to reduce tension, swelling, while also energizing the body. This bath salt may harden over time due to the bicarbonate and urea reacting to the essential oils introduced, but this doesn't stop our bath salts from doing its job, guys. Your bath salt can be stored in a cool, dry place, and you also do not need to add in any preservatives. You can now have a relaxing and exfoliating bath thanks to our very luxurious ingredients. This bath salt will leave your feet and body feeling minty fresh and baby soft. If you're interested in anything on my channel and want to find out more, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. My email address is in the description box. I'm also available if you want anything homemade for you. If you found this video interesting, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. We have now come to the end of this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.